Easy money trading indices. Yesterday again I have mentioned that US30 may try to get the support at 37,800, which is certainly an achievable level. Beautifully it is achieved, while US100 has also respected 17,300. I hope you all profited there. Likewise with the DAX and FTSE, which is after seeing a drop has reversed all the losses and has come to the greener zone. Now, what to expect today? What is going to be the simple strategy in order to profit trading Germany 40, that is DAX, or UK 100, FTSE 100, or Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators precisely in the same sequence. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, and enjoy the profits. Let's start first with Germany. And yes, if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and enjoy the profit or benefits. Yes, if you look at the daily charts for DAX, it is retraced here. It has formed a nice flag formation. It is still trading in this sideways bearish channel. It has to break beyond 16,900 in order to confirm a breakout. What has happened on the daily charts? Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Resistance there on the upside at 16,760 and 16,800 is very. And beautifully yesterday I had mentioned that 16,760 is going to remain a very strong resistance zone. Precisely it is respected. Thus again, if you see it is staying above 16,760 today, we can initiate a buying position. Remember, 16,800 is a greater resistance zone. It needs to break past by. If you look at the stochastic, here is overbought. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to bullishness. RSI is rising. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. See higher highs, higher lows. Moving averages are converging and it is crossover here. This is certainly signs of bullishness. All signs are looking upwards. MACD here on the 4-hour charts is also divergent, and likewise on the 3-hour charts, the first wave, second wave, third wave, and it is trying to achieve the highs. Possibility of 16,800, 840 is very high. A stochastic overbought. MACD is again crossing over for here for a buy. Now see, a buy here at this point certainly will lead to higher prices. RSI rising. On the 2-hour, similar observation here. Moving average is crossing over, trading with divergence. On the downside, remember one thing, that 16,700 has now become the support. 16,700 and 680 level. These are two are going to remain greater support levels. Below 16,780, we can initiate a sell, but then see 16,680 I'm saying, but below 16,680, see still it has got again I'm saying it has still got very good support at 16,650 and 620 levels. Only below 600 it is going to be treated bearish, else it is still bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD crossing over here for a buy. Considering this, buy at 16,765 and sell at 16,700. But selling at 16,700, you should be very cautious and alert. As long as 16,620 levels are not taken, we should not be treating DAX as bearish. Only below 16,620 it is to be treated bearish. On the upside, be careful at around 16,800, 840 zone. After that, certainly we are looking forward to 16,920 and 17,000 levels. Let's have a look at UK 100 on the daily charts, showing the swings here. Yes, it has achieved higher highs, but then 7520, 7530 proven out to be a good resistance. Look at the body size. This is certainly increasing in size. One can buy here at 7520, but then wait for it to break beyond 7540, 60 zone, which is going to remain a greater resistance zone. In fact, as long as 7600 is not taken, we have to be careful here with FTSE 100. See on the daily charts, moving average is crossing over here. This is a bearish sign here. A stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover. This can lead to a slight bullishness. It is not yet converged. It is not yet crossed over. RSI rising. On the 4-hour charts, I'm just going to touch the distinguished points here. Prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged. It is getting resistance from the 50 period. Thus, it has to break beyond 7520, 7530 zone in order to confirm further rise. And still, as I said, 7550, 560 is going to be the next very strong resistance zone. Also, higher lows, higher highs are seen. And yes, only bearishness today is below 7480. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is rising as well. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts, converging towards the 20-50 period moving average. All signs of bullishness right now, but yes, MACD is something which is trading with very little bullish bias. Coming to the 2-hour chart, similar observation, a sharper drop forming the tail. It is retraced right now, forming lower highs, lower lows. Bearishness confirmation is below 7480, 7460 levels only. After that, you can expect a sharper drop. Thus, you can buy FTSE 100 today at 7520, expect 7540, 7550, very, very stronger resistance. And if it stays above this zone at 7550 levels, we can expect 7580 and 600. As long as 600 is not taken, we should not be treating UK 100 is bullish. On the downside, a selling entry at 7480. On the downside, a selling entry at 7480 levels can be taken, but then be watchful of 7460, 7440 zone, below which the bears will be taking over and a sharper drop can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. Tech 100 on the hourly charts achieved all-time high levels. Again, newer highs are created here. Yes, 17300 has become a greater support, and since then we have seen it trailing and coming to the highs here. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, one must note preceding candle lower lows, higher highs. Now see, it has created a flat top here, and as I shared yesterday that 17460 can lead towards 17500 520 zone, and then in fact I will be looking forward to 17580 600 as the next targets. Possibility for it to move towards those zones exists strong. Only selling entry now at 17440 levels, below which 17400 350 are going to be the support levels. Stochastic is overbought. Be watchful. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 4 hours. Also on the 4-hour chart, see bullishness getting diminished. We have to wait for it to break below 17440. Then 17400 and below levels can be seen as still, it is still to be treated bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is also, see MACD on the 4-hour charts has crossed over. It is still in red. It has not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, bullishness getting diminished with every candle. Also, it has formed a very, very strong support at 17300. Be watchful of this. As long as Tech 100 stays above 17300, we are not going to treat this as bearish. The stochastic overbought. MACD is in red. It is not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. Similar observation here on the 2-hour charts as well. Thus, considering this, a selling entry at 17440 can be taken, and then we can expect it to move towards 17400, 17360, 350, and 17300, the strongest support level. On the upside, now you can buy here at 17480, expect 17505, 17520 as the first resistance zone. Then we will look forward to 17575, 17600 as the next resistance zone. Very, very strong resistance exists there. Take your trades accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, reach out to me for any of your queries, and do visit the platform forexfunda.com, which has the answers to all your queries. It also has economic calendar, live charts, and an option to schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And this call can be completely free if you're part of our webinar series. So do visit the platform forexfunda.com and join the free Telegram channel to get live updates. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts has hit the support level 37,800, which was the resistance earlier, has now become a greater support. And also you should note that lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. It is trying to form a good flag. Only buying entry is if you see it is staying above 38,020 levels. Yes, that is the only buying entry recommended for the day. Also, right now, if you look at prices are little divergent from the moving average, sitting at around 37,600. Be watchful of this. Stochastic overbought. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. After retracing a bit, it is now on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI near to top. On the 4-hour charts, similar observation can be seen. Price is converging towards 20 period, trying to rise. Thus, once you see it staying above 37,950, you can initiate a buying position here. Expect it to move towards 38,020, 38,100 levels as the next targets. The stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over at the top. This is something you should watch out for. This is leading to divergence. This can be a bearish indication here. RSI is flat. Now, considering this, you can sell here at 37,920 levels. Expect 37,870, 850 as the first target, 37,800 as the next. Below 37,800, major bearishness can be seen towards 37,600 or first 750 and then 37,600 levels, two stronger support levels on the downside. Buying entry can be taken at 37,950, 960 itself. Expect 38,000, 38,020 as the next targets, and then 38,100 can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.